Codington County's current courthouse was dedicated and opened in 1929. The current jail was built about 45 years later in 1974. Throughout the history of both buildings, the workload steadily increased over time. With these increases in caseload and jail population, there was steady need for more space and more security measures. As a result, in 1993, the court requested an assessment of the courthouse from the U.S. Marshals Service. In this assessment, the marshals highlighted the security problems of the courthouse. To deal with space problems on the jail side, in 1998, the county built an addition to the jail. In 2002, the court requested that the county engage an architect or engineer to come up with a solution to address the overcrowding caused by the heavy court caseload. In 2006, a temporary committee of officials and citizens determined that the courthouse and jail were inadequate. They recommended that the county study the problem to determine a solution. In 2013, the county hired the firm of Architecture Incorporated of Sioux Falls to develop an option to address the courthouse and jail problems. By late summer 2014, Architecture Incorporated developed an option for a justice center with an estimated price of $35 million. In November 2014, however, the ballot measure which would have approved the funding failed. Since the county is bound by state law to deal with courthouse and jail problems, the county created the Codington County Justice Advisory Committee, or CCJAC. The CCJAC has 7 voting members, 3 of which are county officials. The other 4 are from throughout the county and from various walks of life. They were tasked with finding options to address these facility problems. Based on the recommendations of the CCJAC, the county obtained technical assistance from the National Center for State Courts, or NCSC. The NCSC projected the growth in caseload 20 years into the future and recommended an appropriate amount of court floor space. For the jail, CCJAC recommended an assessment from jail consultant Bill Garnos. Mr. Garnos projected likely growth in inmate population and provided a detailed analysis of the current jail. With the analytical work of the court and jail consultants, the CCJAC was able to recommend criteria. These criteria describe factors that must be considered, like cost and expandability. The county commissioners approved these criteria in January of 2016. Also in early 2016, the county issued a request for proposals, or RFP, to find an architect to assist in developing options for renovation, adaptation of current structures, or construction. After reviewing proposals from 10 architectural firms, the county accepted the proposal of BKV Architects of Minneapolis in March 2016. If project funding is secured, the county has the option to retain BKV for subsequent phases of the project. Using the work done by the court and jail consultants, BKV is working with CCJAC to develop viable conceptual options.